Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back in my normal filming location. It actually feels like forever since I have sat down here and filmed, but as you guys can tell by the title, I am going to be trying out some of a Curlsmith's scalp recipe line, and I picked up 4 of the products. I think the only thing I didn't pick up was the mask and the primer slip solution thing. I didn't actually realize how pricey Curlsmith was. I ended up spending over $100 on these 4 products I'm going to show you right now. So I picked up the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic Clarifying Scrub Shampoo for all hair types. And then I also picked up the Postbiotic Calming Conditioner, which felt so good on my scalp. I'm gonna get into the shampoo and conditioner a little bit more. So yeah, I obviously just got out the shower, so I'm gonna do a little rewind here and talk a little bit more about the shampoo and conditioner as I show you how I use them in the shower. So I'm washing my hair after 7 days, and after it being slicked down in a bun for like 3 days, it was so matted and I actually had so much product buildup. So this was a really good time to use this Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic because it really cleanses your hair so well. This cleanses your hair so thoroughly, it almost feels like it's stripping the moisture out of your hair. You really get a deep clean with this. It even has like this micro exfoliant particles in it, which are super fine, so you can barely feel them. You can feel them just enough to actually get like a gentle scrub. It really felt like it was cleansing my hair thoroughly and breaking through all that product buildup that I had from the past few days. I feel like this is only something that you should probably need to use, I guess, if your hair is like really dirty, it has a lot of product buildup, or maybe you're just taking it out of a protective style and you just need that very thorough cleanse. You're going to want to make sure that you really condition your hair well after using the shampoo. So next I went in with the Postbiotic Calming Conditioner. It's a cooling conditioner and this felt amazing on my scalp. It has peppermint oil and tea tree leaves, so it really gives you that nice cooling effect. It feels very refreshing and it makes your scalp feel nice and tingly, and like it's just so nice and clean. It feels so good. I don't know how else to explain it. You're supposed to leave the conditioner on for 1 to 2 minutes to let it perform its soothing and rebalancing actions. I didn't feel like it had enough slip for me, although I felt like it was doing everything else that it said it was going to do. I didn't feel like it really was allowing me to detangle my hair, and it had that like smoothing effect that the conditioners I usually use have. And my hair was really matted, so I needed a little bit more help. I ended up going in with my Not Your Mother's butter mask to give me that extra slip and kind of help me detangle my hair. I tried avoiding applying the mask anywhere near my scalp because I didn't want to interfere with any of the benefits from the conditioner. So yeah, I just needed that help to really get through my hair, or else it would have been a hot mess. Now that we're out the shower, we're going to jump into our styling products. I picked up the Weightless Air Dry Cream and the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. I'm really excited to try these out because these are like extremely hyped up. Everybody loves these. I hope I love them just as much because they were expensive. But I'm going to go ahead and run the wet brush through my hair just to make sure all my tangles are out. I also am going to dampen up my hair just a little bit because it's drying up. Oh, I also got this new wet brush. This is so cute. It's like pink marble with like this rose gold. I don't really know if it looks rose gold on camera, but my sister gifted me some new brushes and they're so cute. Alright, I'm just going in with some water to dampen my hair. Random, but I hate how it is so dark outside already. It's only 3 o'clock and it's like so dark. It's annoying. Anyway, I'm going in with this Weightless Air Dry Cream. It is a leave-in conditioner for all hair types. It says easy dry, smooth, soften, and seals cuticles. Our styling recipes are naturally lightweight and build-up free. They allow your scalp to breathe and help create the perfect environment for hair follicles. So this is a little close-up of the product. I'm gonna leave all the prices either on the screen or down below. I know this was at least $25, and yeah, I think every product here was like 26 to 28 bucks. That's kind of a lot of money. I'm gonna keep saying that because honestly, when I was at the checkout line, I was like, oh girl. Okay, so I'm gonna follow the recommendations as far as styling my hair. It says to rake the product through my hair and then use the praying hands method to smooth it all down, seal in the moisture, and tame the cuticles. So that is what we're gonna do today. I am going to separate my hair into a few sections to apply this more evenly throughout my hair. smells super good, and it's super lightweight, just like it says. It feels very nice and silky. I'm just gonna go ahead and rake it through. And then of course I'm gonna do the praying hands method to seal it all in, which I never do this method, so this feels pretty weird actually. Let me know if I'm doing this wrong, because I've never done this. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly after applying the air dry cream to every section, instead of waiting to the very end to apply my gel like I normally would. So this also says to rake it through your hair and use the praying hands method to smooth all your locks down. It is a styling gel for curly and wavy hair. It has a medium hold, lightweight, and airy definition. So this is what it looks like. It smells exactly the same as the air dry cream. And I'm doing the same method, raking and then praying hands. So I'm just gonna repeat that whole process throughout the rest of my hair and probably just fast forward all of this, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. So I'm all done applying the air cream and the flexi jelly throughout all of my hair. I did use that praying hands method per their recommendation, which is something I haven't done before. So right now my hair doesn't really look any different than if I would just rake it through and scrunch like I normally would. But we'll see if it comes out looking any differently. I don't know if it will look different in the end. I guess we will just wait and see. I'm gonna let my hair air dry until it's like 80 to 90% dry. So I'll be back once I start diffusing my hair. Okay, so I just finished diffusing my hair and the curls are actually looking really nice. I feel like the praying hands method actually helped clump some of my curls together. Definitely not like huge clumps of curls, the same thing I would get from like using a wet brush, but I like the way that it made my curls look. But I am gonna go in and separate some of my curls with some argan oil on my fingers. I already do have a little bit of frizz, which isn't a big deal. So lately I have been doing my like voluminous curly hair routine, which I feel like is just going to be like my new routine in general, because I love the way my hair looks when I follow that routine. So now I'm just gonna go in with my double row pick and start fluffing it out. I don't know if you can tell, tell, but I'm not like in love with my results right now. But it is only the first day and these are my first impressions. So maybe if I continue to use these, I'll have a different outlook on them and maybe I will consider repurchasing them. I would have to say that my two favorite products were the shampoo and the conditioner, because you can really feel this stuff working in your hair. It really cleanses your scalp so well. If you need that deep cleanse, if you need to rebalance your scalp and your hair, I think that these are worth it. So as far as the styling products, I like them so far. I don't want to be too harsh because it's literally my first impression and it's day one. So I'm just going to kind of see what my hair does over the next few days before I form like a stronger opinion. Hey guys, so I'm just popping in here because I realized I really didn't explain why I'm saying like I like them, but you can tell in my face, and just like I didn't really love the results. And I honestly feel like the whole styling method kind of messed up my mojo. I don't know. I'm gonna try this again using my normal routine, and also I might have applied way too much product to my hair. I think that next time I do this, I won't apply the gel to every section the same way that I did, and instead I'll just apply it at the end like I normally do and hopefully get better results. Because honestly, looking at this, I feel like my hair looks very weighed down, and the whole point of this was like weightless, airy, and you know, I was hoping for some more volume that I didn't get. But anyway, just gonna make this quick, just kind of give you information, and stay tuned because I'm gonna definitely do an updated video on this. So that is all I have for you guys in this video. Make sure you subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next. This thing is always interrupting me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.